Hi, it's Amy from Amy's Mix of Creativity. Welcome back. We had Thanksgiving about a week ago, and I didn't get to share my farmhouse Doodlebug collection that I got, which was I loved, and I was able to use. I am no way affiliated with Doodlebug. I just really love their stuff, and I wanted to share it in this video, but I also wanted to share some of my storage ways of keeping things like this, keeping my stickers and papers and stamps and embellishments and all that safe and protected and nice and tidy and organized when I'm not using them. So first I wanted to just show that this is an iris type of container, which a lot of people probably already know. It's really great for 12 by 12 papers and anything you need it for, big sticker, book packets, anything like that. So that's one organization way that I use to keep my crafts good. I'm also pulling up another one here. This is so this one's for photo packets here, photo cases, I guess they call them. Here you go. Here's like one. Okay. And this one's a clear one. I realized after I bought this whole container of different color, it's really cool. It's rainbow colors. It's really nice. But I realized afterwards that you can't see through the color ones to see what's inside. Okay. As you can see here, the clear ones, you can tell that there's little embellishments in there. But otherwise, it's very hard to see what's inside them. And if you don't have it labeled, like I don't have it labeled right now, although I am in the process of trying to do that, label all and keep my things all organized, I don't have the ability to tell right away what's in each of the containers. So here's another container. It's much bigger. Hopefully you can see it on the I can't for some reason zoom out any more than I already have. So here's containers of some Christmas items that I have in here. But for, this was from last year where I put all my scraps and my little embellishments, my die cuts. Here's some of my die cuts that I made myself. Really cute little things. I keep them in these photo cases that are in these containers, so they're all my embellishments are kept nice and neat, and I know where they are. So that's a great organizational tip. Okay, so when you have, let's say you have items like small, like this is this cute little doodle pop. I just thought that was so adorable, the barn and the little the little pumpkins and everything. That this type of thing can go in those photo cases for storage use, when you need to store it away very easily. So little things like that are great for that. And I would use the iris or plastic bags for things that are bigger, like these stickers that I'll show in a minute, and the papers. This is the paper pad, which, as you know, the paper pads for Doodlebug are much smaller than the bigger ones, so I'll just quickly go through to show how cute these are, and they can be used in other times of the year. This is for, around Thanksgiving time. Here's some of the cute little strips that you can tell are Thanksgiving themed, but something like this could be used for springtime too, with all the flowers, which, little honeybees here could be used in the springtime. So even, store them away, but make sure you also realize that something like this is this beautiful plaid or gingham or whatever. Actually, this is the gingham. These things could be used at other times of the year. So you have, you have little cutaways. Those will probably mostly be for Thanksgiving, obviously, but some of them are very, very good for Thanksgiving. But look at this, could be for like a birthday, right? It's really cute, very, very pretty. I like the colors, and for any time of the year, really. Here's some chickens. If you know someone who owns chickens, that might be perfect for them. Okay, I already took some of the stuff out. So here you got some tags. Okay, the little tags are really little, but they're very cute. And again, the flowered ones could be used in the spring. The bees are, you know, these things could be reused in different times of the year. Here you have stickers, just to show you a whole bunch of, you know, cute stickers. Again, I mean, this one could be used in the spring. The spring, you know, spring bowls for other things. Here's you got chickens. They can be any time of the year. The bike during the spring too. So look through your stickers and your paper pads and see if there's anything that could be used in different times of the year, so that if you have, like me, have not, you know, didn't get a chance to use all of these things, you can reuse them and not just keep them, you know, packed away or stored away for the whole year. Here's some bees that can be used again, some really cute hearts, the birdies for spring, the flowers. So you get my drift. All these things could be used at various times. You got a dog, a cat, a sun, you know, like a little tractor. Some of the stuff is good for, you know, the little farm animals could be used for the spring too. They don't have to be used specifically in the fall. Okay. And real quick, I want to show so I already opened up the bits and pieces for the farmhouse collection. I'll show you in the back. These are really cool and could be used at any time of the year. The flowers are, you know, some of them are very fall, you know, like the fall leaves and everything. But some of the flowers could be used again. You can use the some of the tags and the special die cuts that are in these collections. Here's the odds and ends. I used a lot of these already and put them away. But there's some really cute little things that could be, you know, like houses and things inside houses, a couch, a chair that could be used for Christmas. The animals could be used for any time of the year. Okay, here I've got some. I'm going to go through the Doodlebug Farmhouse Collection paper pack real quick. I just love these collections. They're so cute. I'm a huge fan of Doodlebug, and I know people probably tired of me showing them all, but I just can't get enough of them. Even, you know, these are so cute. Again, could be used for other times of the year. It's not, I mean, this is obviously for fall, so I understand that, but this plaid on the back could be for Christmas. You could use it, or for the spring. Again, pretty much Thanksgiving things, but you got flowers and birds and the bees and hearts that could be used for Valentine's Day. And here on the back is a big page full of really pretty spring, you know, flowers for spring. These are a little more fall-like flowers, but because of the dark colors and stuff, but that doesn't matter. You can still use it for spring. Could always be thankful for you. That's good to reuse. Here we go. Here's some trees and the bees. The bees are, I don't know, aren't bees like mostly for spring? I don't know. Anyway, you know, use your imagination. This is a flower that could be just, I mean, that's really pretty for spring. Okay, you can always use these things for your journals or scrapbooking or whatever, and just cut out the pictures, or maybe even change, you know, I mean, grateful for, you could be grateful all year round. You could make this be spring memory, you know, well, maybe not with the leaves there, but you get my drift. Okay, this is an interesting piece of paper that could be used for any holiday, you know, for Christmas. It could be used for birthdays. Again, some of the cut-up parts, you'd have to like stretch your imagination. Oh, look, this has happy birthday here, and that happy birthday could be used any time of the year. And the plaid. I love this plaid. it is so springy like to me. I don't know. Some of the stuff in here I feel is a little more spring-like. Now this could be used any time of the year. They're like, I don't know what they are actually. Like tickets or something, I don't know. And this is a plaid. Or is this gingham? I guess this is called gingham, but it could be used in the spring also. For like, you know, I guess picnics and stuff. This is pretty fall-like, but on the back side you have a tone-on-tone that could be used in the spring also. Some cut-aparts. These are all from the Doodlebug collection of Farmhouse. You can see down here at the bottom. Hopefully I'm getting the whole shot in. It says Farmhouse, and it will say the name of the collection. So look at that. That's such a cool page. And that could be used for birthdays too, or even Christmas. You know any people that like chickens? There they go. You go. You got a page full of chickens. And here are some really pretty flowers that could be used in the spring. So, you know, use your imagination. I mean, you got here's a whole page full of tags that some of them could be used again and repurposed like I've done in past videos. You can use washi tape to change them up and make them different. You know, there's the back of the tags. You don't always have to make everything, you know, it doesn't have to be specific to the season, is what I'm trying to get at. And here you got these, a lot of this stuff is pretty specific to the season, but you got these pretty flowers down here. The ginghams can be used in the spring. You got some really cool hearts that could be used for Valentine's Day to, you know, mix it up. Don't always have to have red hearts on Valentine's Day. Okay, so you can use your imagination, use the bee for, you know, at another time. Try to figure out the best way to reuse your stash, because let me tell you, if you're really a paper person like I am, you end up with way too much stash. And you know, it can become out of hand. So I literally have to go through my everything and, you know, try to decide what I want to use for in different ways so that I can keep going through my stash and keep using these things that are clogging, you know, clogging up my room, making the room that I have as a craft room be almost unusable right now because it's so full of all the papers and everything that I love. So definitely try to figure out how to store and keep your things so that you can reuse them throughout the year. Don't just bring them out for each holiday or each occasion. Go through things and find out how they can be reused or repurposed for different occasions. So please definitely, you know, try this out. Give me, you know, and give me a thumbs up if this is something you enjoy hearing more about too, or give me some comments. I really appreciate any feedback, and I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. I'm doing mainly Christmas coming up, obviously, because this is the season, but I just wanted to go through these things right now to get this this out there. And remember, if you like this type of thing, you can buy yourself or your friends or, you know, people that you know enjoy paper crafting, get them these type of things, these packets, these papers for the holiday, for Christmas, and you know, then they can use it for the following year. One thing that really kind of gets to me is when I get all kinds of Christmas stuff that's paper crafting for Christmas, but then I don't get anything else that can be used for the rest of the year often. So keep that in mind when you're, you know, trying to find things for yourself for the holidays. Look into all kinds of different types of, you know, collections, because you might find ones that you like that will be good for all year long. So please subscribe, and thanks, and I will be back with some Christmas collections. So see you next time. Bye.